Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to install VirtualBox in Mac operating system. You can do same process for Windows and Linux operating system. It's very simple to download and install. So how to do it? Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab into the Google and put it here VirtualBox, enter. So first link is display here. I already put it this link in same video description, so you just simply click the link and open this website here. So here several informations are available for the VirtualBox. Welcome to virtualbox.org. The compatibility of the VirtualBox, several operating systems are available. We just simply click here in this big download VirtualBox 6.1. I click here. So I already say you can download as a Windows host, OS X host means Mac operating system, and Linux distribution. So I just simply click here OS X. So the DMG file is download and the file is like 121 MB only. After finish the download, you just simply click here. After clicking the twice, such kind of new tab is come here. I just simply continue install and I put it here my password, system password, install. Wait couple of seconds. Okay, and that's it. After successfully download and install, I just simply open here my launchpad and check here where is the VirtualBox. So look at this here, successfully download VirtualBox in my Mac operating system. I click here twice and this is a Oracle virtual machine VirtualBox manager is display here. I just simply put it here new sing here Windows, which types of operating system I want to install here or I want access here. So Windows, Linux, some other operating systems also. So I just simply select here Linux, 32-bit or 64-bit. So here 32 bits operating system, so I go with 32-bit, continue, and how much you space and how you give the partition of this operating system you decide. But this is a simple way to download and install VirtualBox in your Mac operating system.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.